What's up guys, back with another video, and today I'm going to do an install video. I haven't done one of these in a while, but I got my new bike behind me. It's really my dream bike. It's a 2024 R1. This is honestly really my dream bike. I got my Fat Bob in the back. That one's a love of mine as well, but today I'll be focusing on the R1. So every time you get a new bike, there's absolutely two modifications that you have to do to it to get the most fun out of it and for it to look the best, and that is changing the stock exhaust, because for one, it just looks ugly and it just sounds like crap, man. It sounds like a freaking sewing machine. And the second thing, I'm sure everybody that rides knows this, you have to get rid of this ugly license plate bracket. I mean, look at it, it just ruins the aesthetics of the bike. But I already bought the replacements to take care of that. So first, here's my exhaust. It came in stainless steel, but I painted it gloss black. I did use the heat resistant spray paint, so that should hold up quite nice. And here's the end of the exhaust. It's just a eBay brand, so you can see it's pretty much almost a straight pipe, so that's gonna sound nice, way better than the ugly stock exhaust on there. And here's the brackets that came with it. And here is the Fender eliminator I found this on eBay. It was just cheap. So, and I had to pick up these lights, so these are gonna be my turn signals in the back. And yeah, oh, it also comes with a license plate light. So first I have to loosen up some bolts, and yeah, I guess let's just get to it. At least 15 pounds, probably 17 or so pounds. Okay, I got all the covers taken off just so I could get to the servo motor. So I have it unplugged. I have it unplugged right now just so I could lift it up, have slack to lift it up. So I'm going to unhook the cable wires. I'm gonna pull them out from the bottom, and I'm actually gonna leave this. I'm gonna plug it back in and bolt it back up. I'm gonna leave this here, because if you just leave this plugged in and unplug the cables, you shouldn't throw any codes. So I'm just gonna use this as my servo buddy, I guess you can say. Okay, so I got the cables pulled out of the servo motor. I got the servo motor plugged back in, so I'm just gonna bolt it back up right here. Now I'm gonna push these down so I can pull them out. so sick. So let's give it a sound test right now. As you can see, that is a big difference. Sounds way nicer than the stock. And as you see, I left the cover off and the seat off still because I still got to get inside here to do the Fender eliminator kit. So I'll start that right now. Okay, since the turn signal lights that I have don't have the proper connector harness like the TSD industry ones I have on my Grom, I'm gonna have to splice it straight into the wires. So in that case, I'm just gonna be cutting the wires to get it loose. Cut it there and cut it down here for the license plate light. Alright, I'm all finished. It was a long day, but I got it done. Let's take a look at the final result. You can see, cleaned up all the wiring underneath, but yeah, it looks way cleaner than what it was. Way cleaner than stock. I'm really glad with the result, and can't forget that awesome sounding exhaust. So sick. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video.